Hello, Amanda here, and this week's blog is called How Leaning into the Fear of Uncertainty actually builds up the fight in you that's required to achieve your goals. So this blog is for all the procrastinators out there and for the people who at the moment are feeling quite down about feeling stuck, or you've got a lack of willpower going on. Just know that in these moments where we are procrastinating, a build-up of energy is happening within you, and that build-up happens, and it produces a fight within you, which is actually quite a positive thing. So in this world of polarity that we live in, perhaps it serves its purpose to build up that fight within you that's going to be required for you to lean into uncertainty, to create change within yourself, and to go for what you want. So this week's blog gives you tips and tools on how to apply this fight within you and how to find it and leverage it to actually produce results. So many of us go through ups and downs in our lives, but I really do believe that our ups serves a wonderful purpose, but also the down moments, and even down is a negative word, maybe we can create a new one. So, the light and the dark, and moments of just taking some time out and marinating. Let's create a word. When we're marinating and we're pulling back, this produces energy that's going to be required for the next stage of when you are outwardly connecting to your goals and putting yourself out there, achieving them. So enjoy this week's blog and check out the tips, and I'll see you next week.